Welcome to Spyder Auto Headlight Installation Guide for the 2002 to 2003 Cadillac Escalade. Check out how the Spyder headlight with LED halo and light strip changes the look of your vehicle. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation: flathead screwdriver or panel popper, ratchet with 10 mm long hex socket, pull the hood release lever, open the hood and let's begin. Remove 8 plastic retainer clips holding the radiator support cover. Remove radiator support cover. Remove one 10 mm hex bolt holding the grille. Release 2 grille retainer clips. Unseat the grille. Remove 2 headlight lock pins. Unseat factory headlight assembly. Disconnect headlight harness. Locate Spyder headlight assembly. Connect Spyder headlight harness. Seat Spyder headlight assembly in place. Reinstall 2 lock pin to secure the Spyder headlight. Repeat same steps for the other side. Seat factory grille in place. Push in the retainer clips to secure the grille. Reinstall one 10 mm hex bolt holding the grille. Seat radiator support cover. Reinstall 8 plastic retainer clips. Close the hood and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto headlight with LED halo and light strip for your 2002 to 2003 Cadillac Escalade. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.